Macintosh Quick Tip number 5. In this quick tip, I'm gonna show you how to create an application that closes down all other open running programs. To do this, we're gonna need Automator, which allows you to create different workflows that just do a bunch of awesome stuff. It's not used very much, but it is a very powerful program that I suggest you looking into. So open up Automator. We're going to choose Custom. And we're going to look for Quit. This is called Quit All Applications. You can drag it here onto the workflow area. You're going to want to have this Ask to Save Changes checked. And if you're going to ever not want to close down a program, for instance, if I have iChat, Transmit, GarageBand, iMovie open, and every single time I don't want iMovie to quit, I'm going to choose Add, and you can choose a program that won't quit when you choose Quit. I don't really recommend doing it, but it's up to you. So you're going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it on my desktop as Quit. You can choose the file format from workflow to application, and you're going to hit save.